Hey guys, today I want to show you the magnetic chalkboards that I use in my classroom. I absolutely love these chalkboards. I bought them for two reasons. Number one, I wanted a really cute and decorative place to display my student work and to write little notes up on the board or reminders. And number two, I needed something that was going to be really decorative in my classroom because my classroom used to be pretty plain. Now this has really just kind of like brightened it up and changed the entire look of it. I actually bought two of these chalkboards and I love the fact that they're magnetic, so I can put magnets on them. I've got little marker holders here that are magnetic, and I use chalk markers on them. They are super easy to clean, so all I have to do is use a wet paper towel and wipe them down, or you can use an actual like Clorox wipe to wipe any of the writing that you put on the board. One of the things I love about these boards is the wooden look around them. They are super sturdy and they are wonderful. If you're looking for a magnetic chalkboard for your home or your classroom, you gotta check these out.